Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to log into your Home Depot credit card account. So let's get started. First thing first, launch your preferred web browser and in the search address bar, type in the Home Depot credit card login page URL. And once on the home page of the Home Depot credit card login page, look for this section where you can enter your login details. This is usually at the top left corner of the page. Enter your user ID in the provided field. This is the username you set up when you created your Home Depot credit card account. Then type your password into the password field. Remember, the passwords are case sensitive. Then once you have entered your user ID and password, click on the login or register my card button to proceed. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your Home Depot credit card account dashboard. Here you can view your account balance, check transaction history, make payments, and manage your account settings. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.